Hello, Frank?
Hi, what's up? Why are you calling me?
Whilst I've been taken over your house, I noticed your cat had gone missing.
Right.
This morning I found her dead on your bathroom floor.
Who? My cat?
Yeah, your cat was found dead. Hello? Are you still there?
Yeah, sure. Hello, police.
You okay? You look sad.
Yeah, I just got phoned up by my neighbour saying my cat died, and I don't know why.
How did your cat die?
I have no idea. It was really healthy and moving around, and it was all good, and then suddenly it's died.
What, in your house?
Yeah, my neighbour found it on my carpet.
Have you done anything about that?
Yeah, I called the police because I didn't know how to react, so hopefully they can investigate.
So let's get this straight. You used the burn phone to call the police, then left your name and number.
No, I found a random person on the street and they gave me their phone, so I used that.
Oh, thank God. Anyways, I've got to go. Sorry to hear your cat died last night.
I didn't tell you my cat died last night.